back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at one of my favorite recipes. It is called Aloo Akbari. It is a very rich and creamy restaurant style Aloo Akbari recipe. Before we look into the recipe, friends, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos with your friends and family, and do not forget to hit the bell icon at the bottom so that you get the notifications when I post up new videos. Also, please give a thumbs up if you like my recipe videos. Thank you. To begin making the curry, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of cashew nuts to this bowl, 1½ medium chopped onions, about an inch of ginger, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I am adding hot boiling water to this, and I'm gonna let this soak for about 10 minutes. For making the koftas, I've taken boiled and smashed potatoes. I'm adding turmeric powder to this, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Adding again about 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. So now I'm going to mix all of this together. Now at this stage I'm going to be adding about 1 to 2 tablespoons corn flour to this and give all of this a good mix again. I'm now going to start making koftas out of this. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil and put it on my palms. I'm going to take a little bit of the aloo mixture and make flat discs like this. I am now going to shallow fry all of these. I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil to this pan. Let it warm up nicely. I'm now going to fry these. I'm going to now very carefully flip them over. So these are beautifully fried on both the sides. As you can see, they are golden brown on all sides. I'm now going to remove them in a plate here. In the same pan, I am adding about 2 tablespoons of ghee. When the oil has warmed up a little bit, I am adding a little bit of garam masala, for which I will put the recipe in the comment box below. I am adding haldi, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Give all of this a good mix. Adding the paste that we made earlier. I'm going to let this cook until the raw smell of the onions and the ginger garlic is gone. This is now boiled nicely. I'm adding tomato puree into this, which is tomato puree of about 3 medium tomatoes. I'm now going to add salt to this. a little bit of sugar to taste. I'm adding a little bit of kasuri methi to the gravy. At this stage, you can taste and adjust the spices in the gravy accordingly. Now I'm adding about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of cream. The curry is now nicely boiling. Just to finish it off, I'm adding lemon juice to this. As you can see, this is nicely boiling. I am turning off the heat now and I'm going to plate this. Garnishing it with just a little bit of kasuri methi on the top, heavy cream for garnishing.